Let's go out of here. Good morning.
Ain't gotta wait to make them moves, I be loaded. Why you out here drinking 40s? I just told it. Still that same nigga in a fool.
Sometimes you just gotta take a little stroll, walk at night. Oh, what the fuck? Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the one horse open sleigh. Hey,
Merry Christmas.
yeah, Merry Christmas. Yeah.
I said drone up at the pre-meet to the meet. Get him out of cars, dude. I see you.
Oh, dude, you keep up, dude.
You didn't finish half your shit.
Roll, 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 roll. I wanna rock and roll. You can tell by my clothes. I get high as fuck every day.
That's a ferret. Dude, that's awesome, man.
Wait, can I touch it? Yeah. Oh, I guess I'm just holding you now. Wait, what? Drop or she'll splat. Oh, please don't drop. No, you're mine now. We live together now, okay? I don't know what to feed you.
Go to Vegas and get one. They're super easy to take care of.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you want Taco Bell?
They sleep like 22 hours a day.
Yeah.
Really?
They're-
Wow.
Really?
Yeah,
It's
they
like
play
you
hard
boys.
for
Like,
They'll come out 2-3 times a day and play for 45 minutes, and then they rack out.
They're
That's
done.
it.
She's
Yeah.
gonna get home and knock out till tomorrow.
Yeah.
like, all right, that was enough today. Oh my gosh, you're so cute.
Is it a boy or a girl?
That's
Girl?
it's a girl. It's
Aw.
Newsom the Weasel is her name.
Well, the guy's trying to
Being
pull
an
his
asshole?
GTR into this spot. It's not a spot. And the guy's, I'm gonna shoot you, man.
What?
Don't you touch my car. I'm gonna shoot you. Oh yeah, another guy just looked at him and said, get the fuck out. It's too early for that. Yeah. Idiots.
Pretty cool, huh? The bear was about to get out, dude.
Just like from Ted.
This is Jordan. I'm at Sync Wraps. Brought some toys for some kids. We appreciate everybody that came by. Hope you all have a great holiday.
So you just picked up this car. Look at that gated R8. That's
It's all full on the inside.
Thank you so much, man. Oh, that's awesome.
We got a bunch of stuff.
Oh my god.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
You feel the rock? I don't know. If you guys ever want to rap, go to Sync Wraps. Without Sync Wraps, this would have happened. So big thank you to Sync Wraps. More importantly, thank you Natalie for being behind the camera. But yeah, God bless. Merry Christmas. Hopefully you guys. Hopefully what? Shoot an auto.
No, shoot manual. Don't ever shoot auto or I'll come for you.
Why? What's so bad with auto?
I'm offended.
Oh no. It's easier. Yeah. No, yeah. No, but if you switch from photos and videos, like back and forth. But back and forth though.
Yeah, but anyone can do that.
You know what? Leave a comment. What do you hate?
Yeah. Getting pulled over is gonna be so funny. But we're gonna try to back it up. But yeah, so filled a tired car with toys that we collected from everybody today. Thank you guys. If you guys didn't bring some, there's always next Sunday. Buenos noches. See you around. This thing's so sick. This wide body Mazda. All the way from San Fran. Thank you for coming. It's a wrap. Any last words? It's a wrap. We just gave out like over 50 toys to 50 kids. And we're letting them in one by one. These kids are enjoying it, so we want to thank you guys for donating. We're going to have another one in January. Alright, a little rough part of the morning, but the Newport PD is closing down the toy drive and harassing.
I'm sure you guys are familiar with Dan.
I don't want to do this on this camera. They're all.
Isaac. Good to meet you. Hey, I'm Mark. Are you one of the organizers?
Anna at our place.
Dude, we should have just done it at your place.
I know.
Yeah, we'll do another one.
Yeah.
He's parking right here too. Yeah, he's gonna park right here too. The other one. Oh my god. God damn.
the little glitter in that.
Yeah, the glitter on that is insane. And there's a plane. Mr. Columbia, dude. See?
This is
Manny's car in there, dude.
Manny's car. Who's Manny?
You got it, dude. Jay got it before you. How? Damn. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Look. Got a whole squad here. Good morning. Dude, bro.
Better look.
Yeah. They found them. Bro, they're hot. Oh my god. Yo, security. Yo, security. What up, big baller? Good to see you. You're friends, dude. What up?
What's up, bro?
Good to see you, dude. It's been a minute. I didn't recognize you.
Everyone has to, yeah, it's not everything. We'll just have everybody exit out this front driveway over here, okay? Yeah, no problem, sir.
All right, we'll just start announcing that. Where should we move? Okay. Well, I don't know if we can move at this point.
Well, what are the options? Just either shut it down and...
Yeah, we're going to tell all the cars to leave and then they just got to vacate out the front driveway. Okay? Okay, all right. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, man. Thanks for shutting down the toy drive. To your house.
Hi.
Yeah. Thanks for hosting us. Hey, second spot, your guys' house.
Party at Moses.
Yeah.
Cops hate children.
Yeah, they hate kids. Yeah, they hate toy drives. They dislike it. What's up, man? Good to see you. How are you?
Those who remain may be placed under arrest for trespassing.
The community coming together, guys.
I'm just gonna get this off.
You did
Really on this?
I did it earlier.
So many people. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
I only came here because of you, brother.
Yeah, well, it's good seeing you. Free tacos, can't go wrong with that.
F-U-K-N. Fucking.
Yo, this man, bro, been following for a minute. Honestly, his content is crazy, bro. He doesn't give a fuck. Fucking tap in.
There you go. Let's go see your miles, dude. 80K?
On what?
You know what?
I actually gotta see this.
Damon Fryer was doing a video,
Uh-huh.
and he saw my car, and a bunch of kids went over and says, dude, that guy's got almost 80,000 miles, so he did a whole fucking TikTok on my car.
Oh my god.
Rally supercars in the snow.
Yeah, it's...
Girl turned right into me.
Oh my gosh, dude.
See how fucked up her car was, though.
More fucked up?
Oh man, from the brand new Hyundai, from this piece here was wedged in her wheel well.
Yeah.
Then there was this here, like 8 inch deep, all the way down the side of her brand new fucking car.
And because it's an SVJ, we said, fuck it, duct tape, run it.
79,600.
Let's see it, bro. Oh my. Look how many miles this SVJ has.
Yeah, that's
I was gonna say shout out to bro right here. He brought out a huge crowd. I think it went great. It was our first event, and we couldn't have done it without my brother right here.
First of many.
Yeah, we're gonna run it up.
I was telling him he's gonna tap into the car community, and he's not ready for it. Like, you're
I'm
ready
ready.
to shut it down. Dude.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm excited.
Fuck the competitors. This guy's coming up. So, yeah, you're out there, dude. Fuck Supreme. Oh, thank you. Appreciate. I get here.
I had to bring the hookah for the pre-meet, bro.
There you go. It was a long time no see.
So what happened with that check?
Yeah, made it just in time. What's up? Habibi. We're getting a little chicken.
Can I have a loaf? Hey, so we're gonna go from where? From 55, 91?
Yeah. And we're off. Good little turnout for Bubba's for their 100K. Yeah, a guy from Hollywood, Kasim Zoo, Urus. Got a good little lineup.
Niggas that spoke on my back like a Dominican. I never listen to me. I'm always watching. I gotta edit a scanner, hit like a hammer. Bro,
hungry man.
we got here first.
Sure did. Beat Mike for once.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Made it.
He beat Michael. We came in your neighborhood, huh?
Yes, sir.
Dude, she looks so clean. She always looks really clean.
I want to put a livery on it, dude.
Really?
Yeah. I was trying to do like marble. You see how everyone's doing the marble, but like completely flopped with a lot of black. There's like a black and gold one.
Yeah.
Just found.
Nah, we so sick. No, it looks.
Rock chip.
No.
Yes, sir.
It hurt the value of mine.
He has like
Definitely
eight
would.
cars. He
Definitely
has so
would
many
hurt the
cars.
value of the car.
Yeah.
The 993, I don't know. I guess it hurts the value. It depends if you like it or not.
Yeah.
Man,
Another one, huh?
Another one.
I'm gonna roll mine up.
Dubai, dude. What up? You're early. Good to see you.
No, man, I was at the office.
Where's your daddy?
Oh, I love seeing the skyline out here, dude. The Porsche over there is clean, but the skyline's pretty. I like it. The gold rims are nice.
On the house.
Oh. Christmas came early.
Yes, sir.
Fries and chicken. Yo, this thing's so good. Look at that. Look at the line just to get your chicken. That's insane.
It was a fun, fulfilling day. We drove up here with like 20 cars to celebrate their 100th again. I know the owner.
Yeah.
Yeah, the owner's pretty cool, I guess.
Oh, it's really, really good.
Definitely way better than Chick-fil-A and McDonald's.
That's the best fries I've ever had.
They don't. All right, first impression.
I already took my bite. Not as big as his, but I took a bite.
And what are your first impression?
Oh, 100%. Those loaded fries too, the best.
And we're gone. Thank you so much for the Navarro boys for having us.
Thank you, Grandma. It's Moises, Evie, Joseph.